Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to share a story with only one person on Instagram. Now, if you have used Instagram before, you will know that if you post something on your story, all your followers will be able to see that. But if you want to restrict this viewing ability just to one person, you can use this feature which is called the close friends feature. If you know about this already, it'll be quite easy for you, but if you don't, this is how you can do it. So click on the bottom right corner to go into your profile. Once you're in here, click on the top right corner to go into the menu. Under here, you can scroll down and see an option where it says Close Friends. Just click on the Close Friends button and you will see that this is a list. I have this person added. You can add someone that you want, and to make sure that only this person will be able to see that story. If you have other people over here, just click on the Clear All button and just add that one person that you want to show this story to. Once this is done, you can click on the big blue done button over here. And once after this, I'll show you how you can post a story just to them. So go ahead, click on your story, add the content that you want to, and click on the close friends button. So make sure you click on the close friends button after you decided to post something as a story. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to share story with only one person on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.